In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a formula field in Salesforce. This is a crucial skill that can help you automate and streamline your data processes more efficiently. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. To begin, navigate to your Salesforce dashboard. Look at the top right corner where you'll find the gear icon. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select the Setup option. This will take you to a new page where you'll have access to all of Salesforce's customization tools. Once you're in the Setup area, you'll see a search box labeled Quick Find on the left-hand side. In this box, type in Object Manager and select it from the results that appear. This is your go-to place for managing the customizations of your Salesforce objects. With the Object Manager open, look for the object you want to add a formula to. This could be a standard object like account or opportunity, or even a custom object you've created. Click on the desired object and it will open a new page specific to it. On this new page, head over to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Fields and Relationships. This section is key to managing all the fields associated with your chosen object. Now you'll see a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on it to begin creating your formula field. You'll be presented with a list of data types. Here, your job is to select the formula option and then proceed by clicking Next. This action will set up the foundation for your formula field. Next up, you'll have to enter a field label, which is essentially the name of your new formula field. For instance, you might call it something like Annual Revenue Category. Once you input this, you'll notice the field name will automatically fill in based on the label you provided. Now it's time to choose the return type for your formula field. This determines the kind of data your formula will output, such as text, number, currency, checkbox, or date. Pick the one that aligns with your needs and click Next again. With the groundwork laid, you can now delve into the formula editor. This is where you craft your formula, leveraging Salesforce's powerful set of fields, functions, and operators. If you're unsure of how each piece fits, don't worry. The editor provides plenty of guidance to help you along the way. Once your formula is ready, it's critical to click the Check Syntax button. This step ensures there are no errors in your formula, allowing you to pinpoint and fix any mistakes before moving forward. If everything checks out, click Next to continue. You'll then be prompted to decide which user profiles should have visibility over this new field. After making your selections, hit Next again. Finally, choose the layouts where this formula field should appear. This ensures that it's conveniently located for your team's use. Once satisfied with your selections, click Save and you're all set. Creating formula fields in Salesforce can greatly enhance how you handle data, and with these straightforward steps, you're on your way to mastering this valuable tool. Thanks for watching and happy Salesforce customizing.